Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with the Magnifica. This machine was brought in because the grinder was stuck, and we found that the grinder, the customer thought there was a bean in the grinder just stuck, but actually the motor had gone bad on the grinder and it just couldn't even crush one bean. So we replaced that, and the machine's also 10 years old and never had service, so we went ahead and serviced that as well, and it was definitely needed. We replaced the lower brew assembly. We deep cleaned the upper brew assembly, replacing the gasket and removing the brew screen, which was really caked with coffee. Then we ran multiple cleaning cycles rather, with Ernex Cafiza detergent that really breaks down the oils in the coffee and the coffee lines. And then we also ran a descale through. So this machine is in great shape, ready to go. So we're just going to make a quick cup, show you that it's working, grinder's working. Looking good. Alright, there you have it, the Magnifica working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.